안녕하세요 친구들, 자입니다. 내 채널 다시 오신 것을 환영합니다. And last week, we visited a no-brand store. We would like to thank the management for allowing us to take videos of the store. 너무너무 감사합니다. And here's a short tour of the store. And here are the products we've bought. Starting off with some toothbrush. Dental floss. Different flavors of flavored milk drink in tiny tan packaging. We have banana with tiny tan gin, and they also have a purple straw. Borahe! Next is strawberry with tiny tan jimin. Third, we have is melon with tiny tan suga. And fourth, we have is vanilla with tiny tan V. We also have some hardtack snacks. We saw this Thai biscuit and its cashew milk cookies. And we have a tub of butter cookies. Then we have daily nuts. Some wet wipes. And roasted chestnuts. Then after a couple of days, we visited again and we bought more. We have some soba pasta. Coconut cookies. It also has the same packaging as the butter cookies. So for now, let me show you what's inside. It's in packs and we have 13 packs in total. Then we tried the daily nuts from before and we loved it. That's why we bought a whole pack. Then we have raisins. And this is the best tasting raisins I've ever tasted up to date. And we also bought a can of sike. And we also have roasted chestnuts. And that's it! I truly can't wait to visit another no brand store. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on my official social media pages. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Annyeong!